Welcome on MuniMeterHealth, your premier source for learning and educating all about the human heart, its structure, its functions, and cardiology. Today we are very proudly introducing to our viewers a series of very short talks about the structure and function of the heart in a very basic way. So let's begin by asking a question. What is heart? Well, heart is a four-chambered muscular organ situated inside your chest between the two lungs. The main function of the heart is to circulate blood all around the body to provide vital nutrition and oxygen to all the tissues and cells of the body. So if you were to look at the schematics, let's draw the chest in this fashion. As I said, the lungs are on either side and the heart is in the middle and slightly to the left. So this becomes your heart. This is your right lung, this is your left lung, and this is your heart. As I said, the heart is a muscular organ. It has four chambers, so we'll draw the chambers now. There are two chambers on the top and there are two chambers at the bottom. The right side chambers and the left side chambers. The top chambers are called atrium, A-T-R-I-U-M, and bottom chambers are called ventricles. So right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. So it's very crucial for us to understand that the heart has a very vital role within our body to help circulate the blood all around to provide nutrition and oxygen. So in order for us to have a healthy life, we must have a healthy heart. Very important. Let's discuss more details in our subsequent talks. I thank you for your attention. Thank you for being with us on MuniMeterHealth.